to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. Woo, you can see I'm already wearing my sweater because it's getting really cold. So today I'm gonna take you guys to shopping with me because I'm running out of some Perler beads. So we'll be shopping with some Perler beads today, some supplies today. I'm gonna bring you to my favorite shops. They are Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and Joann. These are the places where I usually get my Perler beads and supplies. And I'm gonna show you what discounts they have, exclusive items, and deals that they have on the Perler brand products. So hopefully you will find this video useful to you if you're a beginner or just wanting to get some good deals or like trying this out. I hope you found this video useful. So if you're new to my channel or you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button and hit the bell so you will get notification whenever I post new video like 3D Perler tutorial, cute stuff, and then best deals like this video. And also if you enjoy my video or find it useful, please give me a thumbs up to my video. It's gonna help my channel grow a lot. And then if you know your family or friends that are interested in making cute stuff with Perler beads, please share my video so that they can make something that they love too. Spread the love. Let's go shopping now.
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Okay, so today I'm taking you to Hobby Lobby to shop for Perler beads. Alright, you ready? Let's go.
So first we have to get the ad for the week to see if we're getting a discount. So you can find this online or get it from the store because every week they have different discounts. So it's very important to check it online before you go shop because it's a big deal. Look, I found it. Perler kit and beads for 40%. Let's go. Alright, let's follow me. This is my favorite place to shop for Perler bead. Yay, we found it. Yay! See? They're all 40% today. Yay! Alright, so as you can see, today it's 40%. So I think it's only for this week. And you can see this whole section. It's my favorite section because I can get everything here. Look. Plus 40% is the best deal. As you can see, they have a really big collection and the price is just on the product, so it's very easy to locate. So this is my must-have, the 6,000 beads for black and white. And it's only $9.99 when you have the discount 40% off, so that's like $6. Like you can't beat that deal. And then they also have other individual bats with the 1,000 beads. So it's $2.99 plus 40% is like $1.79. Oh, I ran out of this color, so I need 2 of these. I actually like to take a video of what colors do they carry. So when I run out of my beads, so I can see which stores I can go get it right away. I love that they have like so many different kits that you can use. Oh, this is the ironing paper that I always talk about. Like, I really love it. So with the discount, it's actually just $4.19. Yeah, I ran out of my one, so I'm just gonna get another one. So they also have like a smaller pack of the ironing paper. If you're a beginner or you're just trying it, this would be a great buy. So it looks like they added new items, the Perler caps. I haven't tried yet, but it's good to see new products. Ooh, this one right here. I want to give it a try. Since it's not too expensive, let's give it a try. Going home with me. I also really like these pegboards because you can do different shape, and then they also these kits come with the ironing paper. If you're just trying it out, it's like great buy because you get those to come with it. I personally like to get this tray a lot because some of the color you can't even buy the individual color. I think I showed it in my previous video before. It's a great buy. Ooh, I found the bubble gum color. I think I ran out. I'm not quite sure. I didn't look at my inventory. But it doesn't hurt to get another extra bag in case I already ran out. Look. Like, this one's really cool too because they're like pinkish color. I really like. And then you can get these big one right here for $21.99. But also on discount for 40%. What else do they have? We have this one, Super Mario. Ooh, I like this color. I never had this color, I think. But I don't really need this color, I think. So I think Perler brand added new color, and looks like Hobby Lobby also carry their new color in these 1000 bags. So it's really good just if you want to see how they look like, you can just come check it out here. If you don't have a Hobby Lobby near you, don't worry. I'm going to talk about Michaels in just a little bit. And if you just want to buy online, I'm going to add some links in my description where you can check it out on Amazon as well. So earlier I got this one, is the Beast Wiper from Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna see how it works, okay? So let me open this. It's supposed to pick up, like, you know, when you have a mess. And then it's supposed to pick it up. And I'm gonna see how it works. Got this open. Throw it to the side. And I got some color here. Hopefully it works, okay? Otherwise, I'm wasting my money. Just kidding. So we got a mess here. And how do I pick it up? Like this? Looks like it's working. Oh, but it's actually spreading. Maybe have to do like this. Yeah, it takes a few attempts to do this. Let's see. So, because you try to run into it and then it pushes it to go outer. So this time I'm just gonna try it like a little bit, not like that much, and see how it works. Okay, so if I do it slowly, it wouldn't push it out that much. Ugh, what's going on with that bead? Okay. But it's a really good tool, I think. You know, it does pick up everything. Oops. Okay, I said it too. Just removing it, it's just easy. You just open it up and then slowly place it back to your tray. I wonder if I can open up from here. Oh, yes. Actually, I can open up from the top. And then just pull everything back. Okay. Actually, this product is not that bad. You just have to get used to it, like where it leaks and how to pick up the beads. Yeah, so it's a good product. I like it. Hi guys, so today I'm taking you to Michael's to shop for Perler beads. Let's get ready. Let's go. Alright, so we're now at Michael's. And I see a lot of new products here from Perler, so I'm going to show you what I found today. So it looks like they added the Perler cap section. Ooh, I never seen these before. Wow, so these are the new items that I see. I never used the cap, so maybe soon I'm going to give it a try. And then here is the 6,000 bead section and then the 1,000 bead section.
and then goes to the kids. And then also, oh, this one is nice. And then they have different types of kits. I don't see it at like Hobby Lobby. Wow, Harry Potter. I've seen this one before. And then they also have different items. So these are the prices. These are the ones that they got. They also have these ones right here. And this one, I used it before, but I didn't really like it though.
So I see that Perler brand is really promoting their Perler caps, and I can see this whole section right here just dedicated for Perler caps. So, you know, very tempting. I think I'm gonna give it a try soon. If you notice, actually the prices at Michael's are very similar to Hobby Lobby. Maybe slightly more expensive. Like these one, they're only $2.99, same as Hobby Lobby. But then the 6,000 beat, they're like $12.99. So they're like $3 more. Michael's always have the 20% off the regular price, so you can apply to that. But then comparing the discount, I think Hobby Lobby has a better discount, but they don't have it every single day, so you really have to check online. And then also Michael's carry like different colors that other store might not have. Marshmallow, you can get it online, but mocha, I cannot find it anywhere else. Don't worry, if you don't have a Michael's near you, you can always order online, and I think they do have free shipping available, or we can go to Joann right now.
So I also came to Joann to show you what their collection is. Alright, let's go. Yay, we found the selection here.
Look, Joann has a great collection of the Perler brand product. They also carry the mini beads. You can find more online, but it's surprising that they also have the paperboard here. This one is huge. I've never seen it before. I never used those beads. Maybe it's for like smaller kids. Yeah, and also they have different trays that you can see. I haven't even used these colors. This one looks really great. Maybe I'll try it in the future. I love the mini bead tray if you check out my other videos before, and I love that they have this, so now when I ran out of the color, I can just come grab one. If you notice, the price here is more expensive. Like these one, they're $3.49 versus the other places only $2.99. I like Joann that has more different variety of the products, like these trays. Again, I think this is the new color that Perler brand has, and if you want to check it out, maybe just get a tray of this so you will see what colors you like. This is one of my favorite that I always get, but notes that is a little bit more pricey here. It's $14.49 versus Hobby Lobby is only $10, and then with discount. And then this one, I got it earlier. It's the same price, but here you don't get that 40%. And look, they also carry like storage for the Perler bead from the Perler brand. So it's really cool if you need something like this. Yeah, honestly, I only shop for Joann when I really need something like the mini bead, or they have a special sale that the price is a lot cheaper than Hobby Lobby or other stores. I think they also have like a 40% off of one item. I'm not sure, it changes time to time. But for like, look at this, 6,000 bead is $14.49, where I got it earlier at Hobby Lobby with the discount is only $6. I also like this large one if you need to make big project. Alright, so that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for shopping Perler with me at Hobby Lobbies, Michaels, and Joann. If you don't have a store near you, feel free to check out the links in my description to see if you can find something that you like. And if you enjoy my video, please give me a thumbs up. It will be greatly appreciated. And also stay tuned for my upcoming 3D Perlers tutorial video. So I'll see you next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.